Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and keep our community growing. On today's episode, we're going to be making chicken stew, and this is one of the stew I and my family enjoyed the most. To make this, I'm going to be using tomatoes, shepherd pepper, aka tatashe, Scotch bonnet, and onions. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into my blender, and I'm going to blend it to get that smooth texture. This is a stew, so I'm going to be going for the smooth texture rather than the rough blend. And after blending, I'm going to transfer these into my pot to cook these for an hour until maybe 45 to an hour until the water in the tomatoes reduce. Tomato has a lot of water, and also depending on the amount of pepper mix that you're going to be using. So depending on the amount and depending on the time as well. I'm going to go ahead then and transfer my tomato blend or my pepper blend into a pot. I'm going to cover these, and then I'm going to put these on a medium to high heat for 45 minutes until the amount reduce. And I'm going to go ahead and then put my hard chicken into the pot. And I'm going to then season this with yellow onion because yellow onion give it that significant taste. And I'm going to go ahead now and then add my rough blend Scotch bonnet. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my herbs, which is fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, and fresh bay leaf. Fresh herbs just have a different way of changing the whole taste of your food. The aroma, the taste is so different. This is actually my secret to getting my well-seasoned meat and then my stew tasting really good. And I'm going to add my homemade curry and then chicken bouillon and salt for taste. You're going to stir these and you're not going to add any water. And then I forgot, and also some grated ginger. So you're going to stir this because chicken already have enough water. You don't have to add any water to it. So this is how you get a perfect seasoned chicken. And then you're going to cover this and then let this simmer for a while. And then you're going to stir again. So as you can see, you just see that there is some water in the pot. I still didn't add water. Chicken has a lot of water. It's releasing the water. And then now you're going to stir everything all together and cover this and then let this cook. This is how you get that perfect seasoning, juicy, tasty chicken. Please don't put water. Chicken already have water on its own. And I'm going to go ahead and then transfer this chicken into my oven. You can feel free to use your air fryer, whichever one that is more convenient for you. We're going to put this on my oven for 30 minutes on 350-degree. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead now to make my stew. I'm going to add in my olive oil, and then I'm going to add in my yellow onion. If you're making stew and soup, the best onion to use is yellow onion because it gives it a significant taste. And here I'm going to go ahead and then add my herbs. The reason why I'm adding my herbs, I have fresh thyme, I have curry, I have bay leaf, and then I have rosemary. To get that perfect tasty stew, I will advise you release the herbs in the oil before you add your tomatoes or your pepper mix. Because when you put the herbs in the oil, it's very more flavorful. It takes the food to another level. And here I'm going to add my already parboiled pepper mix into the well aromatic oil. And then I'm going to go ahead and then pour it meat stock into this. So that's the stock from the chicken. And then we're going to pour this and then add some water. We're going to cover these on the medium heat for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to let this cook again for another 30 minutes. And then after that, I'm just going to add my salt and then my chicken bouillon for taste for these. And then I'm going to cover this again and then let it cook again on another medium heat for about, let's say, another 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to stir these. And then I'm going to go ahead now to add my already grilled chicken from the oven. I'm going to put this inside right now, and then we're going to stir this all together. And then after adding on the chicken stirring, we're going to cover this again, leave it on a medium to a low heat. I'm going to let this simmer for about another 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Some people let it simmer for 10 minutes. For me, I just let my simmer for another 20 to 30 minutes. And then I cover it. And then after that, my chicken stew is ready to be enjoyed. And then you can have this with rice, stew, soup, whatever you want to have this with. And then there you go. That's my chicken stew. If you're going to be trying this, please let me know. And on our next video, we're definitely going to be giving you a shout out. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.